Speed is a result, but precision is a religion. Welcome to the birthplace of the E7. Inside these walls, authority is maintained through extreme discipline. Here, failure is a word without a definition.
Okay, bring it up 10 centimeters. Watch the clearance on the left side.
センサなしだ。組み立てシーレースを開始しください。
From raw aluminum to a 300 km/h masterpiece, every millimeter is a battle won by elite engineering, the foundation of speed. Let the process begin.
The journey begins with raw power. High-strength aluminum alloy, engineered to withstand extreme atmospheric pressure. In this factory, discipline is measured in microns. A single millimeter of deviation is an act of failure.
Every component is a testament to Japanese authority in rail technology. Rigid, precise, unyielding.
The skeleton is complete. Now, we prepare for the most complex aerodynamic challenge in the world.
The nose of the E7 is an aerodynamic fortress, 9 meters of ivory white and sky blue, engineered to silence the sonic boom.
Precision is the only language spoken here. Every curve is verified by laser to within a fraction of a millimeter.
Discipline is the bridge between a blueprint and a masterpiece. In Japan, that bridge is built of steel and pride.
空略プロファイル隠しです。表面チャンネルでは制限はですね、
With the vision secured, we now move to the heart of the machine, the high-voltage nervous system. Behind the ivory shell lies the nervous system, a complex web of high-voltage power and fiber-optic intelligence. Bolts are secured. Run the diagnostic sequence.
Sequence initiated. Power levels stable.
The brain wakes up. 1,000,000 calculations per second to ensure absolute safety at 300 kilometers per hour.
Synchronization complete.
Safety is not an option. It is built into the copper and the code.
Okay, lift it slightly to the left. We need to align it with this conduit here.
The heart beats. The nerves are alive. The Shinkansen is no longer just steel. It is an intelligent being.
Next, we give this intelligence a place to rest. The art of the interior.
Electromagnetic fury, harnessed and controlled by Japanese discipline.
Clearance looks good here.
Check the coupling tolerance at P3.
within parameters. I am recording the data now.
Stability is the silent hero of speed. Every bolt carries the weight of 1,000 journeys.
The resonance frequency is stable at 120 Hz. Yes, the harmonic simulation is accurate.
The foundation is set. Now, we build the sanctuary. Every stitch is a promise of comfort, hand-finished by master artisans. Precision at your fingertips. Designed for the most discerning travelers.
"ここの仕様を確認してください。
問題ありませんね。
取り付けを進めてください。
よし、これでスキューリーフィックスですね。確認してください。はい、問題ありません。
極外の軽さ、規定値に倒していませんね。
キロしておいてください。
後で再点検しますが。
The sanctuary is ready. A masterpiece of Japanese hospitality, awaiting its first journey.
Data stream indicates minor fluctuation on the starboard coupling.
Acknowledged. Running diagnostics now.
finish so deep, it reflects the soul of the artisans who built it.
The masterpiece is complete, flawless, ready to face the wind.
Alignment is within tolerance.
Confirmed.
A 1,000 days of precision. 1,000,000 dreams of speed. Born in Japan. She is no longer a machine. She is the E7. The soul of high-speed rail.
Next-Gen Machine Works, building the impossible. Subscribe to join the future.